Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Zero Electric SR Sport Bike, 14.4 kilowatt. This also has the charge tank, so you can do universal charging anywhere you go. It's got a little mini windscreen, only 429 miles on this perfect condition Zero Electric SR. So come on by, make your auto transmission electric motorcycle dreams come true for just $16,499. Save thousands off the price of new. This bike is in perfect shape. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. There you go. Nearly silent. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.